There are essays that attempt rather to observe and describe the given process or object instead of analyzing it. Their function is observational or descriptive. Besides, an essay could also be narrative. In the first case, there is only description. The author of the essay only depicts the given object. In the second case, the author or the narrator should tell the story of the object in question. In this sense, to describe and to narrate are different functions, but they could be combined in the so-called a descriptive narrative essay. How do we write a descriptive narrative essay? First, try to remember an important event or incident in your life or in the life of someone else that you know. Usually, narrative essays attempt to exemplify a given phenomenon. For example, friendship. Since you cannot say everything you know about friendship because it will take tens of thousands of pages or maybe even more, you should find a good story to tell. This story should be relevant to the question or to the topic you're asked. Second, write down everything you associate with the story. Try to make a short outline which will keep all the useful information concerning the incident or the event. Third, start your draft. Introduce your topic in some original way. Try to catch the reader's attention with the first sentence. Then, define the concept in question and say that you are going to narrate a story exemplifying it. Fourth, describe the situation in short. Just shed some light upon it, how it concerned you, why it is so important to you, who was involved, and what was the lesson you learned. Fifth, narrate the story. Start from its context, when it happened, where, what were the reasons for it to take place. Do not forget to stick to your outline in order not to go astray from the main idea of the essay. You should also write only about what you consider important. Not all the details should be attractive or can be attractive for the reader. Thus, you need to select them carefully. When writing a descriptive narrative essay, you have to be careful that, although you are writing a descriptive narrative essay, it still needs to have main ideas and a conclusion. If it tells about friendship, then you have to clarify your concept of friendship, and so on. And since this is a descriptive narrative essay, you have to make sure to use the figures of speech to describe and the elements of the narrative, past tenses, sensory organs, sequence of events or chronological order, and the plot.